In this video, we will explore what is string formatting and how to format a string using string formatting operator and different types of conversion types. String formatting is the process of applying a proper format to a given value and using the value to create a new string using interpolation. String interpolation is a technique where placeholders within a string are replaced with the actual values of variables or expressions. The modulo operator %, when used with numbers, computes the remainder from a division. With string operands, the modulo operator %, referred as the string formatting operator, is the oldest method of string formatting. It is used to insert variables into a string in a structured way. This is the syntax. The operand on the left, the format string, which is a string containing one or more placeholders. Think of placeholders like blank spaces that will be filled later. Basically, they are conversion specifiers used to convert values into strings. The operand on the right are the values that are inserted into the format string in the place of placeholders passed as a tuple or a dictionary. The resulting formatted string is the string with the inserted values. In this example, a single variable name is inserted into the format string. Apart from representing the string modulo operation, the % character also denotes the beginning of a conversion specifier in the format string, in this case %s. %s is a placeholder for a string. Modulo operator % followed by a variable name means replace %s with the value of name. If you are inserting multiple values, then they must be enclosed in a tuple. For example, here we have 3 placeholders, so we need to provide 3 values in the tuple. These are positional placeholders and replaced in order with the values from the tuple. The order of insertion follows left to right with the values inside the tuple. The first item in the tuple is whether a string that replaces the first %s in the format string, and so on. Let's look at conversion specifiers in detail. Different components of a conversion specifier determine how values are formatted when Python inserts them into the format string. This is the syntax for format specifier. The % character and the type component are required. The remaining components shown in square brackets are optional. Flags indicates one or more flags for finer control over formatting. Width specifies the minimum width of the resulting string. Precision determines the precision of floating point values and length of string values. Type determines the type of conversion applied to the corresponding value before inserting it into the format string. String conversion types converts any data type that can be converted to a string using str function. Strings, integers, floats, lists, tuples, and even custom objects. In this example, temp is an integer and it is automatically converted into a string while inserting. You can also convert a list using %s. For example, here the list colors is converted to a string. Integer conversion types. They all convert the corresponding numerical values to a string representation. Decimal conversion type D. It is used to convert numerical values into decimal strings. For example, here decimal number 45 is converted to a string. When a floating point number is converted using type D, the digits after the decimal point are truncated. The conversion types lowercase x and uppercase x are used to convert numerical values to hexadecimal strings. Lowercase x converts to hexadecimal using lowercase letters, and uppercase x uses uppercase letters. The conversion type O is used to convert numerical values to octal strings. Floating point conversion types. Conversion type F converts numerical values to a string representation of a floating point number. By default, %f displays 6 digits after the decimal point. Conversion type E converts to a string representation E, scientific notation, also called exponential notation. By default, they show 6 digits after the decimal point. Using lowercase f and e produces lowercase output and uppercase f and e produces uppercase output. For example, the casing of e in scientific notation of floating point numbers. Sometimes an expression can result in a value that's not representable as a number. Python represents this with the special floating point value NaN. The string representation of infinite floating point number is INF. When these values are converted, the conversion type character controls the case of the resulting output. The only difference between the lowercase and uppercase versions of these conversion types is that they produce lowercase and uppercase string output respectively. General conversion type G. It is used to format floating point numbers intelligently. It automatically chooses between fixed point F and scientific notation E, whichever is shorter and more readable. Uses fixed point F for most numbers, switches to scientific notation for very small or very large numbers. Removes unnecessary trailing zeros, shows 6 significant digits by default. Lowercase and uppercase work the same way. The only difference is for scientific notation where lower or uppercase E is used. In these examples, float values are formatted using lower and uppercase G. Formatting switched to scientific notation for small and large numbers, and lower or uppercase E is displayed based on the conversion type. Literal percent character. To insert a percent character into the output, specify 2 consecutive percent characters. It is a way to escape the percent character in case you need to show a literal percent character in the string. For example, here 2 consecutive percent characters are used to insert a percent character in the string. In the next video, we will look at optional components of conversion specifiers like flags for finer control, width, and precision. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.